Barbiecore?
Barbiecore.
Okay, so according to Taylor, this color is Barbiecore of the past, right? What does Barbiecore mean?
Barbiecore is like, you know, full pink. The aesthetic, the vibe, everything is just this Barbie would live in this house.
Well, come on, Barbie, let's go party. Hello, everybody. It's Leo here at the Cohen Group Northwest, and welcome to 1615 Eldridge here in Bellingham. And if you know where this is one of the most quintessential roads here in Bellingham. I said quintessential for Taylor, but it was also applicable in that moment. We're next to Elizabeth Station, 5 minutes down from the waterfront, near Columbia Elementary. So the Columbia neighborhood is right behind you, right over here. All sorts of connecting roads here to all parts of Bellingham. We're gonna show you some of my favorite features of this property. It is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and it's 2,311 square feet on a third of an acre with fruit trees. I'm gonna show you that, and an amazing view over the marina here in Bellingham. Come on in. Okay, so this beautiful older home has a lot of features that I really love about it. One of them is the layout, right? A lot of the times we get stuck in these weird layouts and funky rooms and all sorts of things like that. This does have a lot of storage downstairs, right, Taylor?
Yeah.
But it does have a great layout. So you walk in, and if you look right down below here, you've got your staircase down below, but all of the living, the majority of the living at least, is on the main floor. So come on, let's take a look at the living rooms. Okay, look at these picture windows. These are BAP, big ass picture windows, right? Amazing, right? Floor to ceiling, crystal clear. You look out this side, you look at your church across the street in Eldridge. You look this way, this is the centerpiece of this house. The direction it is facing is directly south. You're looking over Bellwether Point, the marina to the west over here, Lummi Island, San Juan Island, all of the beautiful parts of Bellingham towards Fairhaven down south there. Follow me in this way, follow me in this way, follow me in this way. Your formal dining space. A lot of houses, as we're moving towards an open floor plan, do not have a formal dining space. And I love this formal dining space because it is open. This has a nice separation and sectioning of space. So come on into the kitchen here. So I want you to pan from over here, which is the kitchen, all the way down here, back to the view, and you've got your sunroom, additional entertaining space. This house was built for entertainment, right? It's got the right layout for it. Okay, so remember how when we first walked into the house, there was that staircase to the downstairs? Well, there's another stair. You're supposed to say yes, by the way. Okay, sweet. This is the separate access to the downstairs. So if you're looking for separate living, you can actually come in off this staircase down here, and there's 2 more bedrooms downstairs. So plenty of storage here to the left. You've got your utility room, more storage. I don't know if you noticed this, Taylor, but there's like, it almost went down 10 degrees. Like, it is nice and cool down here. It's below grade, it's nice and cool. And one of these features that you don't see that often in a home is a second fireplace. So this has the full chimney up to the, obviously above the roof, but you have a downstairs fireplace here. We're gonna come actually back up the main staircase. Isn't that cool that there's 2 separate staircases down? And check out this feature. If you look right through here, this house has a really great ability to have light travel through it, right? So light that's coming in through the front door travels, even if it gets slightly diminished, to the back of the house and vice versa. So this house has a ton of natural light. Okay, so something you really only see in beautiful older homes is built-ins. Okay, so I'm gonna check this one. Wow, look at that. Okay. Do you see where I put my keys? Ooh, yeah, we're not getting back to the office. Oh, they're in my pocket. This has really, really good sized bedrooms, and whoever built this did a really good job in design, even at that time, having that forethought. Okay. First thought, if you're watching this video, 1-car garage, I can only fit 1 car or a bunch of junk in here. If you turn around this way, it actually extends all the way behind. So you can fit 2 cars in here, or have that be your workshop in the back, have your car in the front. There's so much space in here. Okay, so welcome to the backyard. One of the things that you may or may not be able to hear, seagulls. That means you're close to the ocean. We're right by the bay, right by the marina. Got a really nice pocket here off of Eldridge where the sound is actually fairly low, right? You can't really hear the road very much. The trains go by below, but it's just part of Bellingham. This is classic Bellingham at its finest, right? So let's take a look around here. We've got a really beautiful orchard here, and these trees have been here for a long time. And if I told you a number, I don't know if it would be true, but it's been here for a long time. Many, many years to produce fruit. So you've got plums, you've got 2 types of apples, you've got rhododendron plants, you've got all sorts of really beautiful foliage and plants and bushes and shrubs. You know, this property is absolutely beautiful. So for those of you that have a strong love and appreciation for brick homes and older homes, this is about as classic brick as you can possibly get. And so for somebody that grew up in a brick home, I love it. I absolutely love it. You don't see them as often anymore. It's just part of the old world that you're able to step into, make it your own, and have one of the most beautiful homes in Bellingham. We're listed at 1.19. If you have any questions or would like a private tour, feel free to call or text me at 360-393-6644, or you can email me at leo@cohengroupnw.com. Looking forward to having you tour this soon. You know what this bell does? Ring me an offer.